Hirevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. All right, guys, working on the bug again today, and I'm going to switch out these Euro style H4 headlights for some American ones. These aren't bad, but I like the American like bubble style more than these. These are fluted on the very front because in Europe you could use a halogen bulb in just a bucket in here. And in the US, they thought that was too bright to use halogens. They wanted regular old incandescent bulbs in there. So they had fluting on the inside of the bulb, like a regular sealed beam, just like that over there. They had that inside here, so they had a clear lens. So what I've got are the clear lens headlights with the inner part that will hold a sealed beam, but instead of buying sealed beams, I bought the fake sealed beams and then some yellow halogen bulbs. So it'll still be H4, it'll still be halogen, except for they'll be the American style, and I'll put these fake sealed beams in there, which should look pretty good, and then the new housings. So here is the American style. It's got just this tiny bit of fluting at the top, clear lens. It's the bubble looks, nice little bubble sticking out there instead of these kicking forward. And then the bulb actually just snaps in here. It goes in between this plate, and then these little metal clips hold it all in. And those metal clips can be a beast to mess with. But this is kind of nice because right now, all we have to do is get these other bulbs in here. And there you go. That's a glass H4 style bulb, but all the fluting is here instead of on the outside. So should look pretty good, which I can show you like that. There we go. I do want to show you this. So you've got a short side, the tab, and then the long side. The long side is the one that you can get some leverage on. And if you push down, you can get that to pop out. When you put them back, you'll put them back just like that in this lip down there, and then these push down. And it does take a fair amount of force, but you can get them in and out of there, but they will fly. So you gotta be real careful with those so that you don't lose any of them, because you gotta have those. So something's going wrong on sealed beam H4 style bulbs, because the tabs, the last couple of times that I've done this now, the tabs have not been right. So if I line this bulb up with the holes that are here, and this part is probably correct, but this cheap bulb is not, then the bulb is kicked sideways. Now, when I was messing with one of the last bike that we built, doing it didn't line up at all. We actually had to trim off trim out one of the holes, or two of the holes actually, just to make the bulb fit how we needed it to fit. The way this is designed, I can get it to squish it together and work anyways. But in order to make the bulb centered and even inside the hole this way, I actually had to twist it. So that's super annoying. And I don't think it's the housing. I'm pretty sure those are right because I bought these housings before. All right, that part is done, and it is holding it well, even though it's not clipped in these technically right, but it is nice and tight in there now with those spring little clamps there. So now to put the bulb in, you just squeeze this apart, flip that out, and then your bulb just pops in there just like that shows. It drops right in. All right, so just like the plastic piece came out with a flat bar at the bottom, new bulb popped in, clip is back on, and now it's in there. Look how good that looks. Oh yeah. All right, both of those are good to go. Now, let's pull that screw out, and the whole headlight will lift up and off. And I have to rewire the bottom bulb here, but the other one will just plug in. All right, there it is. You can see the back and the ugly LED that's in there. But I disconnected those wires. Now we're ready to toss the other one on. The gasket on here actually looks pretty good, so I'm not going to replace that. But I did buy some new gaskets, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with those. All right, so we got that wired up, and then the plug just plugs on there. All right, guys, here's the old light. Here's the new light. Look how good that looks. Now I got the bubble look that I want. All right, guys, that's done. Looks pretty good. Really happy with how that looks. Like I said, I just really like the American lights, be able to see the bulb back in there and just have the bubble up front. I think it looks really good. So, and they're nice and new. Those had a couple little rust pits and spots and stuff on them. So this looks more newer, cleaner, because it is. And I can still keep the 7-inch, seal beam look and still get halogen bulbs. And I think the yellow actually looks pretty cool with all the yellow lights on. It's kind of a neat look, but I think that looks pretty awesome. So now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with those. All right, guys, this is what I'm doing with these parts. Ta-da! Make some pretty good wall hangers in these old fenders, and it's a good way to keep up with them.